Can iPhone 11 receive NFC?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to be answering a simple yet important question. Can the iPhone 11 receive NFC? Let's get right into it and find out.
What is NFC?
Firstly, let's understand what NFC stands for. It's an acronym for Near Field Communication, a technology that allows for wireless data transfer between two devices held a few centimeters from each other. NFC is used for various purposes like contactless payments, sharing contacts or photos, and even in keycards and passes.
Does the iPhone 11 support NFC?
Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Yes, the iPhone 11 does support NFC. This feature has been a standard in iPhones since the release of the iPhone 6 in 2014. Apple has continued to include NFC support in all subsequent iPhone models, including the iPhone 11.
How can you use NFC on the iPhone 11?
Now that we've established that the iPhone 11 supports NFC, you might be wondering how to use it. Here's how. 1. Apple Pay. You can use NFC to make contactless payments through Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, you'll need to add your credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID, or double-click the side button and glance at your iPhone to authenticate with Face ID. 2. Reading NFC tags. With iOS 14 and later, you can use the NFC reader in your iPhone 11 to read NFC tags. To do this, open the Control Center, tap on the NFC button, and then hold your iPhone near an NFC tag. 3. Sharing files. You can also use NFC to share files through AirDrop. This is an Apple-specific feature that allows you to share files between Apple devices. Just select the file you want to share, tap on the Share button, and then choose the device you want to share with. In conclusion, the iPhone 11 is fully capable of receiving NFC. It can be used for making contactless payments, reading NFC tags, and sharing files through AirDrop. We hope this video has been informative and answered your questions about the iPhone 11's NFC capabilities. Thanks for watching.